Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when Samsung Galaxy S23 FE keeps updating issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open battery and device care. Now here click on software update and here turn off this auto download over Wi-Fi button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it off and that go back and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open settings. Now go to the storage of settings and here clear the app data and cache memory of settings. Click on delete